Hey, what's up guys, Asthik here, and today's video is all the way through the new Redmi Note 10 and Note 8. These two phones' camera specification is the same, like the Note 10 has a 48MP and the Note 8 48MP. Both the phone comes with a quad camera setup, and as you can see on the screen. Actually, this video is a collab video with my friend who just bought the new Note 10. But the 48MP primary sensor which Note 10 has is a Sony sensor. In some cases, this may come up. Let's talk about the Note 8 first. Actually, this phone was launched 1 year back, but still it is a beast because it's having a 4K resolution camera system which can shoot 4K resolution videos, and with the 1080p 60fps slow motion time lapse, everything that a entry level camera smartphone should have. So guys, if you are thinking what does this camera sensor mean, there are like top 3 brands who make camera sensors, which is the Zeiss, Sony and Samsung. This Redmi Note 8 comes with a Samsung sensor and this Note 10 with a Sony sensor. So this Redmi Note 10 comes with a 48MP sensor, that means you can shoot 4K resolution videos like the Note 8, which is 1080p 60fps and 30fps too. You will get to see a macro sensor which you can take macro photos like the flowers, bugs, insects, everything, and this is a good camera phone that you can buy under 13k. You will get to see a quad camera setup in this Note 10, which is the primary camera 48MP with a Sony sensor, as I said before, with an 8MP ultra wide plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor, which is used for portrait modes. You'll get to see 118 degrees ultra wide sensor. So this is the photo sample of the Note 8 which was taken in the 48MP mode. Good, right? After all the tests, the Redmi Note 10 is the winner. It's the best smartphone that you can get in 13k. And for YouTube stuff, this is the best phone. The best and the best. Thank you for watching. I'm Raghav. Please subscribe my channel, and the link of my Instagram account is given in the description box.
And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your name.